Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, everyone. Today, I would like to talk about water pollution in agricultural ecology, an important issue that directly affects the health of the environment and also the sustainability of our food system.
Water companies could soon be hit with unlimited fines for dumping sewage in England's waterways.
Water pollution happens when harmful substances enter rivers, lakes, oceans, or groundwater, making the water unsafe for humans and the environment. This pollutant can come from many sources. For example, industries may release chemical and toxic waste into nearby waterways. Household waste such as detergent, plastic, and untreated sewage can also contaminate water. In addition, oil spills, heavy metals, and microplastics contribute to long-term environmental damage. Chemical pollution is one of the most dangerous because toxic chemicals can remain in water for a long time and accumulate in living organisms. Biological pollution occurs when pathogens such as bacteria or viruses enter water sources, usually from sewage or animal waste. Thermal pollution happens when industries release hot water into rivers, changing the temperature and harming aquatic life. And finally, solid waste pollution, especially plastic, threatens marine species and destroy habitat. Water pollution affects us in many ways. It reduces the quality of drinking water, causes health problems, kills aquatic life, disrupts ecosystem, and leads to economic losses in sectors such as fisheries and tourism. Now let's move to a more specific topic. Agricultural water pollution. Agricultural is essential for feeding the world, but is also one of the largest contributors to water pollution, especially in rural and farming areas. As the demand for food continues to grow, farming activities become more intensive, and this increases the pressure on water resources. The first major cause is fertilizer runoff. Farmers often use nitrogen and phosphorus fertilizer to boost crop growth. The second cause is the use of pesticide and herbicide. These chemicals protect crop from pests and weeds, but some of them are highly toxic. When they enter water bodies, through runoff or seep into groundwater, they can harm aquatic organisms and even pose risks to human health. Another contributor is animal waste. Livestock such as cows, chicken, and pig produce large amount of manure. If this waste is not managed properly, it can flow into rivers, carrying bacteria, nutrients, and organic matter. The impact of agricultural water pollution are significant. It reduces water quality for irrigation and drinking, decreases biodiversity, and harms local communities that depend on clean water. To address this problem, several solutions can be implemented. Farmers can apply fertilizer more efficiently through precision farming, reducing the amount that ends up in water bodies. Planting buffer strips or vegetation near rivers can help absorb excess nutrients. Practicing conservation tillage and crop rotation can reduce soil erosion. Managing animal waste properly and using integrated pest management can also decrease the use of harmful chemicals. Conclusion: water pollution is a global challenge that affects the environment, human, and the economy. Agriculture plays an important role in society, but it must be practiced responsibly to protect our water. As humans who depend on agriculture, we must understand that water quality determines the quality of our food production. Agricultural ecology cannot function well if the water resources continue to be polluted. By managing natural resources wisely and adopting sustainable agriculture, we can protect ecosystem while meeting the food needs of society.